Hello genius! Our problem solving for today is about arithmetic progression. Now, itong topic na to, may isang problem na many times rini-repeat nila ito binigay sa board exam. Like here, every year or sometimes in a year, binigay nila yan 2 times. Kaya importante rin na sa mag-take ng board exam sa, lalo na sa civil, na malaman nila ito kung ano itong arithmetic progression. Now, ano nga ba itong arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means it is a sequence of numbers with consecutive terms and the difference is constant. Now, for example, we have 3, 5, 7. These are the terms of arithmetic, consecutive terms of arithmetic progression. Now, by inspection, the difference between the two is constant. 3, like 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, the difference is constant. So, this is the so-called arithmetic progression. Now, you have one question here, which is, as I said earlier, repeatedly given to the board exam before. The question, how many terms of the progression 3, 5, and 7 must be taken in order that their sum will be 2,600? So, ilang terms? The terms are like, for example, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. These are the so-called terms. Now, this, we can solve this problem by using the formula as Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where Sn, this is the sum of the terms. And the number of terms. A, the first term, first number, or the first term in the arithmetic progression, which is like, for example, 3, 5, 7. So the first term is 3, the first term. And of course, D, this is the constant difference. Like, for example, 3, 5, 7. So, the D by inspection is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, the difference is 2. So this is the so-called the constant difference between the terms, consecutive terms. Now, of course, to solve this one is very easy. We have the given. What are the given here? The terms 3, 5, and 7. And Sn, which is equal to 2600. Now, it's easy. Just substitute the values because we have the what we are looking down here, n, number of terms, so that the total will be 2,600. Now, our first term here, what is our first term? It is 3. the constant difference, this is D, by inspection, 3, 5, and 7 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, so that is the constant difference. While progressing, like the consecutive terms, 3, 5, 7, 9, like this, is have constant difference of 2. Now, we have N, we have A, we have D, we have S and A and D, so this is the one we're looking for. Substituting the values, Sn is equal to N over 2 times 2A plus N minus 1 times D. So, Sn is equal to 2,600. The N, this is the one we're looking, divided by 2, and 2 times the A, which is 3, plus the N minus 1 times the difference, which is equal to 2. Now, we have only one variable, N. So, we can solve this one. Of course, we have the common here, 2 and 2. So, we can cancel the 2 and 2. Therefore, 2, 6, 0, 0. See, this 2 and 2 and this have also 2. This can be cancelled. So, what will happen? This will be 2n times 3 plus n minus 1. Therefore, to simplify this one, 2, 6, 0, 0 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 plus n. Then 2, 6, 0, 0 is equal to n times 2 is equal to 2n plus n times n, of course, is equal to n squared. Therefore, to equate this one to 0, n squared plus 2n minus 2, 6, 0, 0 is equal to 0. We can factor this one because this can be factored. So, 2,600 can be factored into 52 and 50. We'll check. 2, this is 0, 0, 10 kilo 1. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. Therefore, this can be factored into n plus 52 times n minus 50. Why this other one is minus? Because if you multiply negative, multiply by negative, positive multiplied by negative, it will result to negative. Therefore, this we can factor it into n plus 52 times n minus 50, which is equal to 0. Therefore, if we will equate this one h into 0, so n plus 50 is equal to 0. This one equated to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 52. Cannot be. It's absurd. So, n therefore, on the other hand, n minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, n, it transferred to the other side, will become positive, so 50. Therefore, the n terms, the sum of the n terms we're looking for is 50. That means 50 of the terms, 50 of that one will result to 2,600 units. See, what I mean is this n which is the number of terms, will be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, till it will become 60 terms. So the total of the 60 terms is 2,600. So this is the one we're looking for, the number of terms. N is equal to 50. Now another question for arithmetic progression. Find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression 4, 7, and 10. Now this is easy. If you need the 30th terms, that means by inspection you know that the distance, the constant difference, by inspection we know that the constant difference is equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, so D is equal to 3. So what do you think, how many times till you reach 30th term? So of course the constant difference will be 29 times. 29 times. So here it says that the 30th terms, that means this is like, for example, this is the first term, the second term, the 10th term, and so on till the 30th term. What it is, this is the one we're looking for. So if we need the 30th terms, that means the distance is equal to 29. Multiply by 3 is equal to how much? 6, 7, 8, 87. Now, the 30th term, because we are on the 29, the distance is 29, so the 30th terms, we call it T, or the N30, it's equal to, we will call it N30, it's equal to 87 plus the first term, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the 30th term is equal to 91. This is the 30th term. Like for example, this one, 4, 7, 10. Now for example, we'll need, what is the fourth term? This is, we're looking for this one. Now how many distance? By inspection, the constant difference is equal to 3. Now how many times? 1, 2, 3. Before it reach the 4. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Plus the first term, which is equal to 4. That means 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. That means the next one here is equal to 13. Say 13 minus 10 is 3. So this is the one here. This is the short explanation of the short number of terms. This is for the 30th term. The number is 91. This is the 30th number.